The correlate command in Splunk SPL is a powerful statistical function designed for field correlation analysis. This command enables you to calculate correlation coefficients between numeric fields, providing comprehensive relationship analysis within your Splunk data. By understanding how different numeric variables relate to each other, you can uncover hidden patterns and dependencies that might not be immediately obvious through simple data visualization. The basic syntax for the correlate command is straightforward. You start with a pipe symbol, followed by the keyword correlate, and then specify the numeric fields you want to analyze. For example, pipe correlate field 1, field 2, field 3. This command calculates Pearson correlation coefficients between all specified numeric fields, creating a comprehensive correlation matrix that shows the strength and direction of relationships between your data variables. Let's examine a practical web server performance analysis scenario. We start by searching our weblogs index with source type access_combined. Then we use the stats command to calculate average response time, average bytes transferred, and count grouped by host. Finally, we pipe this data to the correlate command, analyzing relationships between average response time, average bytes, and request count. This analysis helps identify how response time correlates with data transfer volume and request frequency across different servers. The correlate command generates a correlation matrix showing relationships between fields. In our example, response time shows a perfect correlation of 1.00 with itself, a strong positive correlation of 0.87 with bytes, and a moderate negative correlation of -0.62 with count. The bytes field shows the same strong positive correlation of 0.87 with response time, perfect correlation with itself, and a weak positive correlation of 0.34 with count. Correlation values range from -1 to +1, where higher absolute values indicate stronger relationships between variables. The correlate command offers several advanced formatting and selection options. The format equals text parameter displays results as a formatted text table instead of standard search results, making it easier to read and interpret correlation matrices. You can also specify exact fields for analysis by listing only the fields you want to correlate, such as pipe correlate field 1, field 2. This selective approach is useful when you have many numeric fields, but only want to examine relationships between specific variables of interest. Remember these essential points about the correlate command. First, it works exclusively with numeric fields to calculate Pearson correlation coefficients, so ensure your data contains numeric values before applying this command. Second, it specializes in identifying linear relationships between variables, with correlation values ranging from -1 to +1. The correlate command is perfect for discovering hidden patterns and data dependencies in your Splunk analytics, helping you understand how different metrics influence each other in your operational data. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.